neck rotation. Come on, clockwise and anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4. Normal breathing. And 5. Again, anti-clock. Very good job. 1. Come on. 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice. Now both palms over your chest. Yeah. Twist your spine right to left, left to right. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Both palms over your shoulder, and we are going to shoulder rotation clockwise. Come on. 1. Very good. 2, 3, 4, 5. Anti-clock. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Now legs together, both palms side of the body. We are going to side bending. Come on. One by one. 1, 2. This is a very good exercise for your love handle, side fat. Continue please. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Both palms side of the hip, side of the waist. We are going to hip rotation. Come on. Clockwise. 1. Very good. 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Anti-clock. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. So next exercise, we are going to forward bending and backward bending. This is a very effective exercise for your belly fat. If you want, you can go for 3 sets, but we are going to here 1 set, around 10 to 15 repetition. Come on, let's go. Both hand up. Continue. 1. Normal breathing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. So this is a 1 set. If you want, you can try for 3 sets. Very good job. Nice. Let's go. Now 1 by 1, both hand back side, and 1 by 1, elbow to knee to elbow. Come on, continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. The next exercise, right hand back side of the head, left hand over your waist. Now knee to elbow cross leg. Come on, let's go. 1, 2, 10 times. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change your hand and change your leg. Come on. Same way. 1. Very good. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. One step, open your leg like this. You have to look front. Then we are going to Jig Jack. Inhale center. Exhale, come front, bend front. Come on, let's go. 1, 2, knee straight. 3, knee straight. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay, the next exercise we are going for squat like this. So you have to open your leg mat to mat, both palms over your chest, and go for 10 to 15 repetition. Let's go. Come on. 1. Normal breathing. 2. Very good. 3. Little bit down. Look, spine straight. 4, 5, 6. Very good job. 7. Come on. 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, body straight. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. रिलैक्स. तो हमने यहाँ पर क्या किया, स्क्वाट को 20 रिपीटेशन मारा. तो आप अगर चाहते हो तो आप 3 सेट कर सकते हो, इसको कंटिन्यू कर सकते हो. लेट्स गो. ओके, रिलैक्स. Next exercise is for, we are coming for cat pose. First cat pose. Yeah. Then inhale, look up, chin up, relax your spine. Exhale, suck your stomach in. Continue. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Relax. Now relax here. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, knee to nose. head down. Very good. Elbow straight. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. And the last one, inhale, up. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, down. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Okay. हम थोड़ा थोड़ा छोटा छोटा क्लिप दिखा रहे हैं आप लोगों को. आप इसको चाहो तो ज़्यादा भी कर सकते हो. लेकिन लेट्स गो. Left side. Inhale, left leg up. Come on. Exhale, down. Knee to nose. Inhale, up. Elbow straight. Exhale, down. Very good. Inhale, up. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, down. Relax. Exercise for hip fat or thigh fat. Right leg up, sideways. Right side. Yeah. 1. Continue. 2. First. 3, 4, 5. Very good. 6, 7. Come on. 8, 9, 10. 10. Come on. 9, 8, 7, 6. Look front. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Left leg. Come on. Go ahead. Go ahead. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Please come to child pose. Relax yourself. Relax for a couple of breaths. Inhale, cobra posture. Come on. Slowly. Exhale, child pose. Continue. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, child pose. The last one, inhale, cobra. 1, 2, 3. Exhale, come to downward facing dog. Yes, one by one, heel up, down. Come on, one by one, heel up, down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, relax. Okay, next, the most effective exercise for our whole body workout. This is Surya Namaskar. You can say the sun salutation. Both palms over your chest. Namaste. Inhale, raise both hands up. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, right leg back. Exhale, left leg back. Plank pose. Yep. Chaturanga. If you cannot, you can drop your knees, chest, chin, Ashtanga. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, right leg front. Exhale, left leg front. Inhale, raise both hands up. Okay, no problem. Exhale, both palms over your chest. Namaste. So if you want, you can go for more round. Just we are going to giving you a demo. So that's why we are practice for 2 rounds. Come on. Inhale, raise your hands up. Go back maximum. Exhale, come front. Inhale, left leg back. Drop your knees, look front. Exhale, right leg back to plank pose. Falakasana, good. Exhale, Chaturanga Danga Asana. If you cannot, Ashtanga. Inhale, cobra, look up, chin up. Very good. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, left leg front in between your palm. Look front. Exhale, right leg front. Now slowly, gently inhale, raise your hands up. Exhale, both palms over your chest. These are 2 rounds sun salutation. If you have to practice at least 10 rounds, okay? Next, we will practice some sitting asana, then lie down. First, we are going to Janu Sirsasana. Right leg fold, side of the foot. Yep. Inhale, raise your hands up. Exhale, bend forward, grab your ankle. That's great. You have to maintain here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice. Inhale, raise your both hand up. So next, right hand back side of the mat. Inhale, left hand all the way up and hip up. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next, sideways from the left leg fold first. Yep. Inhale, raise your both hand up. Exhale, come front. Inhale, raise your hands up. Exhale, come front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, raise your hands up. Now left hand back side. Drop your palm down. Inhale, raise your right hand over your head as much as possible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Okay. So both palm back side of the body. Fold your knees. Both legs. Suck your knees. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come on. 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7. Come on. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Relax. Okay, both hand back side of the head. Raise your both leg up first. One by one, up, down. Continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Twisting. Right side, left side, twisting. Come on. One, right side, left side. Right side, left side. Right side, left side. Right side, left side. Okay. So the last one, we are going to practice conscious, ABS conscious. Come on. One by one. Knee, try to touch your knee. Come on. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's great. Relax. Twisting, 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 twisting. Okay. And look front. Okay, we are going to elbow plank. Let's go. Come on, look front. Hip up. Hip down, hip down, hip down. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Very good. Child pose, child pose, child pose. तो आई होप आप लोगों को अच्छा लगा. आज तो पूरा टायर्ड हो गया. एक्चुअली हुआ क्या, जस्ट 3 मंथ 3 मंथ बेबी हुआ. तो अभी नया सेशन हम लोग स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं. इसका भी वज़न बढ़ गया, तो हम अभी से धीरे धीरे करके स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं. तो आप देखोगे 1 महीने 2 महीने के बाद शेप चेंज हो गया. तो मैं इसी के साथ प्रैक्टिस कर रहा हूँ. वही वीडियो आप लोगों को अपलोड कर रहा हूँ ताकि आप भी करो. एकदम पूरा देसी वाला सीन, इंडिया एक वो आएगा, टेस्ट आएगा, है ना. तो इसको ज़रूर प्रैक्टिस करना, मज़ा आएगा. और ज़रूर कमेंट सेक्शन में बताना कैसे लगा. एकदम इजी वर्कआउट है. अगर ये 10 से 15 मिनट का वर्कआउट है, करोगे ना तो पूरा पसीना आ जाएगा. उसके साथ एक चीज़ जरूर करना, आप सन सैल्यूटेशन जो सूर्य नमस्कार इसको थोड़ा बढ़ा देना. हम 2 सेट दिखाया है यहाँ पर. आप यहाँ पर क्या करना, 10 सेट मिनिमम करना. 5 से 10 सेटअप करो, मज़ा आ जाएगा. ठीक है. चैनल में नया हो तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकन. मिलते हैं नया कोई टॉपिक के साथ. तब तक के लिए थैंक यू सो मच. बाय बाय. सी यू. बाय बाय बोलो. बाय 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 बाय.